would you say to consumers out there who has some uncertainty in the market, but what would you tell them to help them survive and even with that thrive in kind of the coming economic conditions?
Absolutely. Well, if you have uncertainty right now, it just shows you're paying attention. The supply and demand for stocks in the future, we've got to question it because we've got 25% underemployment, 8.3% unemployment, and 10,000 people a day turning 65. In fact, the same people, Nick, that pushed the stock market up in the 80s and 90s, they're turning 65. Are they going to continue to look for that risk? What they're doing right now is wondering, where do I go, just as you're mentioning. And they're going after mutual funds, maybe sometimes with 5 stars, and they're trying to find the best return. This isn't a contest to find the highest return this year. You've got to invest with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind, as the late, great Stephen Covey said. And the fact is that you've got to do that with your investments. You want to be able to look back 20 years from now and feel excellent about what you did and not wonder what the heck happened.
Excellent. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of people who think that that's mighty fine advice, and they'd probably like to reach out to you. How do they find you?
Well, very easily. They can go to myannuityguy.com, have a look at our videos, read some reports. They'll receive a newsletter from us, and they can listen to us on Money Radio in Phoenix. They can listen online anywhere in the United States, and they can call us at 888-310-1776, 888-310-1776. And our whole focus, Nick, is on education. There is never an ounce of pressure to learn about annuities. We feel, while we do research on more than 1,000 annuities, and the fact of the matter is you need to compare. There are different types of annuities, as you mentioned, and you have to know the difference between an immediate, a variable, a fixed, and what's now known as a hybrid, and know the differences, and then compare hybrids. There are over 200 hybrids that you have to know about, and that's where we want to help people out.
Awesome info, Steve. Awesome to have you on the show. I'm sure there's a lot of people who need your help, so thank you so much for coming on and sharing your info.
Hey, my pleasure, Nick, really.